As we gather here today, we stand not only as partners of elected officials, but as influential advocates capable of inspiring change. Just 2 days ago, I stood alongside the President in the Rose Garden as he signed the Take It Down Act into law. That moment was not only powerful, but deeply emotional. The overwhelming bipartisan support for this legislation serves as a testament to what we can accomplish when we unite in the interest of our children. As we move forward, let us continue to lead with empathy, foster collaboration, and create environments where all children feel safe and empowered. It is vital for us, as our spouses' greatest supporters, to reaffirm the importance of truth and integrity.